Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Go Native Farms. And this morning of September the 2nd, 2024, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful Jemez blue corn that we are growing out here for the Native Seed Search. And it is quite an amazing corn, and it is really tall. Let's go take a look at that. So this corn was originally collected by Brett Baker in 1990, and thanks to the Native Seed Search, they have been able to keep this alive in their seed banks. And we have 2 rows of it for this season, doing a little grow out for them. And it's just now starting to put on the silk and the pollen tassels. So hopefully it will finish out. It's a really tall corn. I'm guessing that is 8 foot already. And when we were little kids, we used to love to run through the cornfields across the street where we grew up, and we'd kind of get lost out there and have fun, and enjoyed getting lost and finding each other out there in these huge cornfields. Now our cornfield is a lot smaller, but I thought it was really cool coming out here. Check out what it's like in this cornfield this morning and just show you what we're growing. So hopefully this beautiful blue corn will finish out before we get any freezes, because it is September and it is possible to freeze in September. So wish us luck, and we'll do a follow-up video on how this does. But this corn is looking great. It did get a little bit blown over a few times in the wind, but so far so good. That is our 2 rows of the corn, and the sun's going to be a little funny when we look back this way, blocking our view a little bit. But that's the corn. It's doing really good so far. Our only concern is that it may possibly get frozen out, so we'll hope that doesn't happen. And we'll take one look at a Apache sunflower real quick, which is doing pretty good. That is a White Mountain Apache sunflower. It's the only one that actually produced, but quite a good looking sunflower. And I think that one's the silver, but it could be the black seed. But anyways, that is our quick video for today. Wanted to show you guys this amazing corn. I'm going to be collecting some pollen on it in a little bit and helping with pollination. Thank you very much for tuning in, and remember to get yourself some amazing Native American blue corn. Grow that stuff, eat it, and be healthy, and help preserve the seeds. All right, take care.